Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update for Saturday 18th of June, and we probably are going to see Solana right now at the moment making some sideways movement and whatnot. So what's the current situation, what's going on? First off the bat, I just want to say that a stop loss should be placed down at 29.25. Weekend has started, Saturday's here, Sunday's tomorrow, so it's not a very good day to trade. Not today, not tomorrow. These days, I actually never really trade, especially during a downtrend in the bear market, because these people like to actually, bring in a lot of FUD and a lot of problems are actually going to happen. So, number one, that should be the stop loss that is placed. Number two, stop loss should be placed down at the $25.9. And if you try to take $25.9, that's going to be a very big problem right now. Okay. Number two, I want to dive into the weekly time frame, and we've already see some sort of a three black rows, and for a very long time, it's been how many weeks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 weeks of straight red candles, not even one green candle, even though Bitcoin had a green candle. Now, I want to talk about the weekly. On a daily, we have 1 day, 18 hours more left to close the weekly. If you do come here down to 26.4, then you're still putting in a 3 black crows, and you're actually going to still make another continuation pattern to actually continue to drop to the downside. So my take is wait for the next 2 days until we actually don't close the weekly, and if you close the weekly like this, then that's a decisive candlestick known as a probably a doji. Not, it doesn't really look, or maybe a spinning top, and from spinning top you can actually go to the upside or go to the downside. Now people say, why do you say this? Actually, it's the nature of the candlestick, not even me. This candlestick is actually meant to be decisive, to push prices to the upside. So that means if you take the highest part, which is the $35, then you're likely to go to the upside. Or if you actually do come down again to 25.9, then that's it. The decision is made that the downtrend is going to continue. That's it for this quick update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.